Hi, this is Rich Lavens of Eurotherm by Watlow, and today we are going to do a firmware upgrade on a Eurotherm Mini8 controller. We recently had firmware version 6.01 come out, and this unit that I have shown is actually running on firmware version 5.27. So we're going to do an upgrade. You can see I've got this plugged in with Ethernet and have it powered up with 24 volts. There's really not much more you're going to do at the instrument itself because there is no interface to it. So let's cut this and we'll go to iTools and the firmware management tool. All right, so before we start this mini upgrade, we need to download a couple things. First thing we need to do is go to the Eurotherm.com website. And once you're here, we're going to search for Eurotherm Firmware Management. And under the Downloads section, you want to select this one right here, Eurotherm Firmware Management Tools EFMT version 2.4. I've already downloaded and executed that, but when you click there, your download will start and you can just follow the prompts. The other thing we need to do, once this is done, is we're going to go to Products, and under the Multi-Loop Temperature Controllers tab, you will find a Mini8 right here, Mini8 Loop Controller. And under the downloads there, if we go to Software, there's the release notes on version 6.01, and then here is the upgrade. Again, you need to have the EMFMT tool loaded first, and then you do the upgrade. So we're just going to click this, and it will hopefully download here. Up here, we're downloading it. And I'll open that up for you in a minute. And there's the Mini8, so we'll double click on that. This is what you want. So I am going to do this, and I'll just create a folder here. I think it opened on my other screen here. Yeah, so I created a folder called Mini8 UPG, and I already put that in there. So there's that file. So once you have that done, we will go to the next step. We're going to open iTools. So I've already loaded it. So we're going to go to my iTools folder and open up iTools Engineering Studio. If I come up to my Add button, there's my Mini8 with version 5.27 software. So we're going to click on that and OK. Should go out and find it here in a moment. If this is a brand new Mini8 out of the box and you're connecting with Ethernet, it may prompt you to set a communication passcode. I've already done that on mine. So anyway, we're just going to minimize this. And I'm going to go right back to the same spot under iTools Advanced this time. So iTools Advanced. And the Eurotherm Firmware Management tool. And you can see here I'm at version 2.4. If you have something other than that, you probably want to go ahead and download the latest version from the Eurotherm website. My password. And then I'm going to upgrade that. Up here is where you would browse for the latest software. So I downloaded this from the Eurotherm website. So it's version 601.upf. So there's where we're going to go. And we're going to hit upgrade. Oh, we got to select the device. So this little key here. So now we select the device, hit upgrade. And this just kind of tells you it's going to go back and forth between operator and configuration levels and all that and blah, blah, blah. Are you sure you want to proceed? Yes. So over here, you can see that I am starting this open on my other monitor, so I'll drag that over. And here's the setup wizard. So uh, this will install iTools update for Mini 8 version 6.01. It's got the date. It's recommended that you close all the applications before continuing. So with that in mind, I'm going to come up to iTools. I'm going to remove that instrument this time, and I'll just close that. And now I'm going to hit next. Hit next again, and finally install. And completing the Eurotherm iTools update for the Mini 6.01 setup wizard. We're going to finish it. Up here, we can see some progress being made. We're at 22%, 25, 28. Okay, that took approximately 8 minutes. So just be a little patient. Looks like it's upgraded now. Here's my description, my Mini 8, the serial number, now with version 6.01. That really should do it. If you have any questions or comments on this, please make sure to reach out to us and let us know. Thank you so much. Bye.